nice.
You guys want to see the model? This is how we planned out this show. We don't always do this. Sometimes we do it on computer, and sometimes we just do it live with the artist. But since this show has loans from different museums and private collections coming in from all over the place, it was important to plan it out ahead of time. And we're still working out a few things. Some of the works are still arriving, and so we need to try to see if they fit, because when things are real, they don't always look like they do in the model. So we already changed a lot around, actually, from the original design. And now we're unpacking a crate. The idea for the show started with two fairly minor works that are in our own collection. When I first got to the Arts Club in 2012, I had a background in Surrealism, and I noticed these two works that I didn't really know anything about the artists. They were new to me. And so I went to try to fill out that story by starting with those two paintings. And then Art Design Chicago came up as an opportunity to help support a show with more research than we would normally be able to do. So it was an opportunity at that point to kind of pursue that. I'm going to put them both on that wall, I think.
Janine, do you want to go down to that far wall with it?
We're contemplating. It was going to go there, but I don't think it's going to work with the work that's there, so we might swap these two out. But I guess let's bring it down there first.
Okay, do you mind telling us something?
Yeah. They're down there? So you're going to do the condition report now? Okay. Yeah, you do a condition report every time a work comes in. So you take images of its condition as it arrives at the museum and then when it leaves. So to make sure that if there are any irregularities or scratches or anything, that they were here when they got here. Depends what shape it's in. If it's in bad shape, it takes a long time because you have to write down every little thing. But this is in good shape, so it shouldn't take that long. The title of the show is A Home for Surrealism, and I had the idea to make the space a little more domestic. The idea of that title is many layered. First of all, Chicago literally has been a home for surrealism. It's been collected and exhibited here a lot, and in fact, there's a very strong taste for surrealism. And then at the same time, there's a lot, as you see in the show, of painting of interior scenes, so literally making the home this kind of haunted space. And then one of the key figures in the exhibition's name is Gertrude Abercrombie, and she was kind of an eccentric character. She had a home on Dorchester Avenue in Hyde Park, and she hosted a salon there. And there's a great picture of her standing in front of her fireplace, and I thought, let's have a fireplace. And I spoke to Neil Patel. He's a set designer, a theater and opera set designer, and he had the brilliant idea to not try to depict it, but to just go get a mantelpiece. So we went thrift shopping, and we bought this great vintage mantelpiece. This wall will have a kind of collection of works, of small works, and it's a way of giving them a context that is, I think, more representative of the way they would have been experienced in their own moment. What are you guys?
Adam's winning our dispute. Finally, the dog is going to stay on this.
The dog.
I'm now recommending that a couple of you all come back to this wall.
Yeah.
Maybe knitting.
And it's on camera.
This is an ongoing dispute that we've had.
Yeah, these two have their favorite paintings, so they're wanting me to put them in special places in the show. But
all right, but I think it just makes more sense over there. But what's